Hey guys, this week we are learning about the Pythagorean Theorem. It sounds a lot more difficult than it actually is. So the formula is up at the top. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And basically what this formula or theorem is saying is that when you know the lengths of the legs, a and b are called the legs, then if you plug the information into this formula, you'll be able to find what the length of C is. C is called the hypotenuse. It's the longest side of the triangle, and the other two shorter sides are called the legs. But anyways, in the example here, I know that one of my legs is 4 inches, the other leg is 6 inches, and if I plug that information into this formula, I'll be able to find C. So all you got to do is plug it in. 4 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. Then I go ahead and square my information. 4 squared is equal to 16, 6 squared is equal to 36. I add those two together, which gives me 52. And then all you have to do after you add the two things together is hit the square root button on your calculator, and then it will give you the square root, which is 7.21, and that's your final answer. All right, guys, here's another example of the Pythagorean theorem. Here I see that my legs are 12 and 35. I need to figure out what C is. So I plug the information into the formula. 12 squared plus 35 squared equals C squared. Once I square 12, I get 144. 35 times 35 is 1,225. Then I add those two things together. I get 1,369. And then I just need to hit the square root button and I get the answer C equals 37.